What's up, guys? This is Everyday Man's Review here, and what you're looking at right now is the DJI, or should I say Ryze Tello, charging right now. I'm currently getting ready for the outside flight test. Outside, it looks really nice outside. It's sunny, about 48 degrees. Wind's not bad. I'm gonna go to my local park and test this bad boy out. A lot of people are thinking that this is a toy drone or something that should be like pushed aside, but that's not true. This is more than just a toy drone. This is actually a tool or a piece of equipment that you could use, to do family photos, roof inspections. You can do some light work with this drone. You can use this drone as like a sidekick to your other professional drones. I'm on the DJI Tello website right now. I'm going to read off a few specs for you. This thing got a Intel processor in it. That's right, it's made by DJI and Intel. It's actually a 14-core processor, which is quite amazing. It's got the DJI vision positioning system, and it also has infrared systems in it, so it can hover in place stably, and it'll actually fight the wind. So when this actually goes up, it's gonna like stay in place, like it has like GPS hover, and it's gonna sit there like a rock, which is pretty cool. It also got fail-safe protection. Good, because even if you like lose connection, this thing's just gonna land. It don't really got like GPS to return to home. It also has low battery protection, which is really good for drones and stuff. It also has auto takeoff and landing. This thing takes 5 megapixel photos. That's pretty awesome. Well, I'll stop rattling off and we'll switch to the flight test outside. And what do you know? It's done charging. Whenever you see a steady blue light like that, it's done charging. And when it's blinking blue lights, that means it's charging. All right, let's get to it. What's up, guys? We're here outside in the park today. As you can see, it's really nice outside. It's almost about 60 degrees. And here is the DJI, or should I say Ryze Tello. Okay, I'm using my iPad to film this right now, so bear with me. I'm going to launch. As you can see, this bad boy is stable. It's got the DJI vision positioning system on there, and it also got the infrared sensors on the bottom to track its position on the bottom of the ground. Now you can see it's fighting the wind right now, and this is a tool that you can use to take family photos with. Vacation photos, even some light professional work. This is in no way a toy at all. I was very impressed by its vision positioning system. Yes, and this is what it is. It's a Ryze Tello. It's a good drone. It costs about $99. I got it from Walmart. You can go ahead and you can get yours now while you still can, because they're selling like hotcakes. All right, now I'm going to show you some footage from the drone. Okay, in regards to the frame skipping in the video, that's going to be remedied in a next firmware update. I'm sure of it. But here's the footage from the drone itself. It's good. It's good for what it is. Let's just put it at that. It's good for what it is. I mean, it's not in no way a serious professional drone, but you can get some serious photos out of this, like family photos, vacation photos, and you know, videos, you know, special moments. I mean, it's not the best drone out there, but this is not a toy. This is something serious that you can use on windless days to take photos, vacation photos, anything you want. And here's another video of me going down a straight line, and you can see that this has like image stabilization in it. So the image stabilization is very good, but when I got up to like higher wind elevations, it started to like break a little bit. Here you can see the wind's really taking its toll on the DJI Tello, but that really didn't stop it from taking some awesome photos. I mean, this is a great drone. I mean, get this drone. Don't listen to any of those viewers out there, you know, putting down this drone, you know, saying it's a toy. It is not a toy. I'm telling you right now. This drone is a very good drone for what it is. And for what it is, you're getting a hell of a lot of stuff. You're getting vision positioning sensors, Intel, a 14-core Intel processor, 5 megapixel photos, 720p image, 720p videos. Go get it. That concludes my review and outside test of the Ryze Tello from DJI and Intel. Now, a lot of you are wondering why I got rid of my Parrot Bebop. Well, the thing is, the Parrot Bebop was very good in what it did. I'm not lying on that, but there's a certain performance issue that I was having with the Parrot Bebop that has to be known. Whenever I would go up, let's say, I don't know, 50 meters, go far with my iPad, I would get a connection error, and it would just sit there for about a few minutes, and I would have to like struggle. Sorry, I would have to struggle to get that thing back. It would just sit there like a rock, and I would have to wait for it to come back and reconnect to my iPad. I couldn't have that, so I have to sell it. But what I'm going to be getting in place of the the Parrot Bebop is DJI products such as this one, the DJI or Ryze Tello. I should be getting a Spark, you know, or maybe a Mavic Air soon, but don't guarantee on that, because that's really the bread and butter of where the drone world is at right now. The DJI Spark and DJI Mavic Air, those are the king of all drones. I mean, I tried avoiding DJI as long as I could, but you know, I couldn't avoid DJI for too long, you know, because DJI has like the pinnacle of technology right now. It is the pinnacle of technology. All right, guys, you like, share, and subscribe. There should be some links for DJI, Ryze Tello, Mavic Air, and Spark. If you want it, you know, saw reviews on it, you can go ahead. It's on my channel. Like and subscribe.